Let's create an audience of people that have watched a video or set of videos that you've advertised on Facebook. Video watches is a great stat because Facebook tracks who watches every video that you advertise and for how long they watch it. To create one of these audiences, you'll go to Create Audience in your Audience tool on Facebook, and then you'll select Custom Audience. And for Facebook Source, you'll select Video. Click on Next. And for engagement, we recommend people who have watched at least 20% or 25% of your video. This is because no one's going to watch a video 25% of the way through on something that they're not interested in. Now, the next step is to choose the videos that you want to have people have watched. So click on Choose Videos. And here, make sure that your Facebook page comes up and you're going to select the videos that you want people to have watched. So I'm just going to select these 3 videos and click on Confirm. And so it will find people that have watched at least 25% of at least one of these 3 videos. Now, as far as the retention goes, that's how long ago the people would have watched 25% of the videos. So typically we recommend between 30 and 180 days. In this case, for our example, I'm just going to put 180. And then in the audience name, we will put 25% video watchers. And for me, I'm just going to put example, but for you, you might want to put the topic that it went around. And then I'm going to put the retention in our description. So 180-day retention. Once these are all filled in, click on Create Audience. And you now have your video engagement custom audience created and ready to go for whenever you're ready to start your Facebook ads.